What if I told you that your sore knees, stiff back, and clicking shoulders aren't just part of getting older? They're warnings. Because after 40, joint pain doesn't just hurt, it holds you back. But the good news? It's preventable. Today on Second Prime, we break down the science of joint pain in men over 40 and how to fight back with smart training, simple nutrition, and daily habits that actually work. Welcome to Second Prime, the place where your best years aren't behind you, they're just getting started. If you're into practical health and wellness tips after 40, go ahead and tap that like button. It helps more people like you find this. We're building something meaningful here. Glad you're part of it. By age 40, many men start noticing a shift. You warm up slower, recovery takes longer, and those old sports injuries, they start whispering again. A large-scale review published in the Journal of Rheumatology in 2013 found that nearly 50% of adults over 40 report joint pain on a weekly basis, especially in the knees, shoulders, and lower back. But what's really happening inside the body? Cartilage is the shock absorber of your joints. But research published in the Journal of Anatomy 2012 shows that collagen production declines by about 1% per year after age 30, leading to gradual thinning of joint cartilage and less protection where it matters most. According to a 2017 study in Age and Aging, men lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade after 30. And less muscle means less support around joints, making them more vulnerable to strain, poor alignment, and instability. Synovial fluid is your body's natural joint lubricant, but a 2006 paper from Arthritis Research and Therapy explains how this fluid decreases in both quantity and quality with age, making joint movement feel stiffer, rougher, and more painful over time. Even minor injuries from your 20s can resurface decades later, and chronic low-grade inflammation, caused by poor sleep, processed food, or unmanaged stress, can amplify that pain. Harvard Medical School calls this phenomenon inflammaging, age-related inflammation that contributes directly to joint degeneration. Let's move from problems to solutions. The strategy? A 4-pillar approach: mobility, smart training, nutrition, and supplement support. Mobility is the most underrated weapon in the fight against joint pain. Even 5 minutes a day can unlock smoother movement and reduce wear. The 5-minute daily joint primer. Cat-cow stretch loosens the lumbar spine. World's greatest stretch targets hips, thoracic spine, and shoulders. Ankle circles improves knee tracking. Shoulder wall slides encourages scapular mobility and posture. 90-90. Hip switches restores rotational hip range. A 2021 study in Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies confirmed that even short-duration mobility routines lead to significant improvements in range of motion and pain reduction in adults over 40. After 40, it's not just about lifting heavier, it's about lifting smarter. Joint-friendly training principles. Focus on controlled compound movements. Keep reps moderate, 8 to 12%. Embrace machines and cables for joint stability. Rest longer, 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Avoid ego lifting. If it hurts, it's wrong. High-risk exercises to avoid: behind the neck overhead presses, deep sissy squats, upright rows with heavy load, long-distance pavement running. Instead, switch to landmine presses, shoulder-friendly, Bulgarian split squats, knee-smart, sled pushes, low impact, incline dumbbell presses, better joint angle. A 2020 review in Strength and Conditioning Journal recommends reducing axial joint stress after age 40 while maintaining strength through modified resistance exercises. What you eat either fuels inflammation or fights it. Here are the anti-inflammatory foods. Fatty fish like salmon, rich in EPA, DHA. Berries, polyphenols shown to reduce joint stiffness. Leafy greens, vitamin K supports bone and joint health. Turmeric, curcumin proven to reduce inflammation in arthritis patients. Extra virgin olive oil, oleocanthal equals nature's ibuprofen. What triggers inflammation? Refined seed oils, canola, soybean, white flour, and added sugar. Processed snack foods. Alcohol, especially in excess. A 2019 meta-analysis in Nutrients Journal confirms that a Mediterranean-style diet, rich in anti-inflammatory fats and polyphenols, reduces joint degradation in aging populations. Pro tip: joints are 70% water. Hydration equals lubrication. Don't skip it. Not every supplement lives up to the label. Here's what actually works, according to the science. Collagen peptides. A randomized controlled trial in Current Medical Research and Opinion, 2008, found that 10 grams of collagen daily for 3 to 6 months improved joint pain in physically active older adults, especially when taken with vitamin C for absorption. Omega-3s, EPA, DHA. A 2017 study in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams EPA, DHA daily to reduce joint stiffness and slower cartilage degeneration. Glucosamine and chondroitin. Mixed results, but some benefit seen in osteoarthritis patients, especially for knee pain, Arthritis and Rheumatology, 2016. Vitamin D3 and K2. Low vitamin D equals weak bones. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Endocrinology notes that vitamin D and K2 together enhance bone density and reduce joint pain in older men. Curcumin and black pepper extract, piperine. Increases bioavailability by up to 2,000%, reduces arthritis symptoms, according to a 2016 review in Phytotherapy Research. Bonus tip: cycle supplements every 8 to 12 weeks. Track how you feel and keep what works. Let's bring it all together. If you're over 40 and want strong, pain-free joints, mobility, 5 minutes per day. Smart training, form first, avoid ego lifting. Clean nutrition, cut junk, load up on anti-inflammatories. Supplements, only what's proven. Self-awareness, pain equals information, not weakness. You don't have to live with joint pain. You just need a strategy and consistency. Joint pain after 40 isn't inevitable. It's optional if you choose to act. You can still lift, run, hike, and move the way you want. But you need to protect your foundation, your joints. Here on Second Prime, we give you the science-backed tools to move better, feel younger, and take full control of your second prime. Subscribe now, because your age is just a number on your license. How you feel? That's up to you. If this video helped you in any way, even one small change you'll try tonight, leave a like. It tells the algorithm to show it to someone else who might need it. And if you want more clear, science-backed ways to protect your body and sharpen your mind after 40, stick around for more. Your second prime isn't about going back. It's about staying sharp, steady, and strong.